Nice and lovely. So basically, I need beautiful and nice. So basically right here guys, I'm gonna show you what you can do at home. Simple, little bit of olive oil, basically I got 2 lovely thick pieces of bacon and I'm gonna pan fry them off. Nice and lovely. So basically all I need to do is just fry them from both sides for roughly about 5 minutes each side. So now this is finished. Let's put them on a piece of napkin, get rid of the grease. And simple. 1 egg. Just like that. And a pinch of pepper. Break the egg yolk. Nice and lovely. I butter 3 slices of bread right here. This is mostly how English would make some of their breakfast sometime. To my friend the other day, and this is what they give me also. So basically, the bacon, we normally remove the fat off the bacon. This is the bacon right here. Put a little bit of ketchup. Get that egg where you just fry. You don't need to put the butter right there, too much butter, so. With some grated cheese. Next one on top. This is what most of my friends them eat for their breakfast. I just feel like to just share with you guys. So just look at that. Very easy and simple, you know what I mean? You can make this for a lunch sandwich, or you can make it and bring it to work. Basically, I saw the recipe with my friend just make it in his restaurant. I said I need that recipe. It was really nice and beautiful. So guys, just enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. See you next time. Bye bye.